Stop scrolling. Just for a moment. I know you're used to the usual tech reviews, but today, we are venturing into forbidden territory. We are talking about the Osmo Pocket 4. And trust me, what I have uncovered about this device is going to fundamentally change the way you film your life. For months, the rumors have been swirling. Whispers in the halls of Shenzhen. Subtle leaks that disappear as quickly as they appear. But we've pieced it together. We've cracked the code. This isn't just an upgrade. This is a completely reimagined cinematic tool, one that DJI didn't want you to see yet. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Think about the Pocket 3. Revolutionary, yes. That giant 1-inch sensor, the rotating screen, perfection, right? Wrong. The Pocket 4 is set to expose the Pocket 3's hidden flaws. And that's where we begin. The sensor revelation, the true cinematic leap. The Pocket 3's 1-inch sensor was a game-changer for low light. But sources suggest DJI is going bigger. Not just marginally bigger. We are hearing whispers of a sensor that is not just 1 inch, but possibly featuring a new stacked CMOS technology, a sensor specifically tuned for cinematic color profiles, maybe even a dual native ISO setup, a feature usually reserved for high-end cinema cameras. If this is true, your $500 range pocket camera is suddenly competing with gear costing 10 times as much. Imagine filming the Milky Way in your backyard with a camera you can fit in your jeans pocket. The details, the absolute richness of the shadows, the dynamic range. It won't just look good, it will look expensive. The hidden feature, beyond 4K. And speaking of expensive, we're not just talking about resolution anymore. 4K is old news. The leak suggests a new high-resolution mode, possibly 6K per 30 frames per second or an unbelievably crisp 4K per 120 frames per second that handles slow motion with unprecedented fluidity. But here is the kicker, the feature that truly makes it a Pocket 4. The rumored AI-powered object tracking 3.0. The Pocket 3's tracking was good, but this new iteration? It's said to predict movement, to differentiate between a person, a pet, and a bicycle before they even enter the frame. It's not just following, it's anticipating. The design overhaul. The form factor you never knew you needed. Now, let's talk about the body itself. The rotating screen of the Pocket 3 was fantastic for vlogging, but it was also a structural vulnerability. The leaks point towards a radical shift. Could the gimbal and the screen be redesigned entirely? The most consistent rumor is an articulating screen, a design that flips out and rotates, giving you more flexibility and, crucially, a far more durable connection. We're also hearing about a quick-release mounting system that's built directly into the base, eliminating the need for separate accessories. No more fiddling with small cases or adapters. It just snaps onto a tripod, a backpack strap, or a magnetic mount. Its efficiency was redefined. The unanswered questions and the price tag horror. But every innovation comes with a cost. And this is where the suspense builds. Given these potential upgrades, the massive sensor, the 6K resolution, the advanced AI tracking, what is the price? We have strong indications that the introductory price point is going to shock you. We are looking at a substantial premium over the Pocket 3, pushing it dangerously close to dedicated mirrorless